One of the things I love about our YouTube community is the comments. I love reading comments. I always hit up members first, not gonna lie. But I just released this video a couple hours ago, happened to pop in, just see how it's doing. And the comments are awesome. And what I'm seeing right away is people bringing in their real world experience. One of the screenshots I used in that video was actually from the Roadstar campaign, which was a big deal. It taught a lot of people a lot of things. And I talk about that in my comments back, how, you know, that was a real eye-opener for a lot of technicians because that was a bad one. I'm just gonna say that. But check out this by Thromby here. He went ahead and even put a link in and talks about how Triumph says just to do the opposite. And it's why our disclaimer at the end of our videos always says use the year, make, and model of your vehicle. But check this out. Triumph, if the holes line up on the 6th gear, align with corresponding hole, you have a reduction in oil pressure. Why we love comments and people sharing. Keep it up, my friends. And as always, keep wrenching.